Hi everyone, thank you for being here today. In this presentation, we are going to talk about IBM and how the company has changed over time. IBM used to focus mostly on hardware and all the IT consulting, but now they made a big shift towards cloud computing and artificial intelligence. We will walk through a few key parts, a quick background on IBM, what kind of changes the company made and why, how IBM responded to those changes, what result come out, and finally, what we think IBM should do next based on what we have learned in this class. So let's get started. So IBM has known for a long time as a stronger player in enterprise tech and service. But in recent years, some of its old business, like mainframe system and traditional IT consulting, start to falling behind. Newer cloud-based companies started changing the game. Clients began asking for more flexible and scalable solutions. Big play like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud quickly took the lead in this market. This made IBM realize that what they were offering is no longer fully matched what their clients needed, and something had to change. The tech world was changing fast, and that pushed IBM to act. More and more companies start to focusing on AI and cloud-based system instead of all the IT setup. As a result, IBM all the ways of making money start to shrinking, and their profits took a hit. This wasn't just a tech problem. It was also about business strategy and staying competitive. So IBM realized it had to rethink what kind of company it wanted to be. So they start to shifting towards areas with more future potentials, like a hybrid cloud automation and artificial intelligence.
Next, I'll talk about type of change. IBM's change was both strategic and transformational. So rather than incremental adjustments, it redefined the company's mission and structure. The change was planned and directed from senior leadership, which is led by former CEO Ginny and current CEO Arvind. Importantly, IBM utilized structure change management approaches, notably the 8-ADKAR model, to promote internal adoption. So this model helped align employee mindsets and behaviors with organizational goals. So for the strategic responses, the first one is through acquisition. A critical move in IBM's transformation is $34 billion acquisition of Red Hat in 2019. This acquisition enhanced IBM's credibility in hybrid cloud infrastructure and open source enterprise solutions. Red Hat's ecosystem brought with its Kubernetes expertise, development ops practices, and a vibrant open source community. So according to Forrester, this acquisition was foundational in re-establishing IBM's competitiveness in enterprise-grade cloud services. And its next strategic response is AI focus. IBM's focus on the artificial intelligence materialized through significant investment in the Watson brand and the creation of a Watson X platform. While early iterations like Watson Health struggled with market fit, IBM pivoted toward more adaptive and enterprise-aligned AI solutions. Watson X now provides a foundation for industry-specific models and modular deployments. Recent advancements include like the Granite model family, compact specialized generative AI models developed with enterprise security and governance in mind. Next, I'll pass it on to my classmate to talk about the cultural redesign.
So yeah, I'm Zakai. I'm gonna be talking about cultural redesign and the workforce development of IBM. So the transformational change also required cultural and workforce redesign, apparently. So IBM recognized that the legacy hierarchy structures conflicted with the agile demands of AI and cloud delivery. So as a result, the company invested heavily in reskilling its workforce, particularly in areas like um, DevOps, AI engineering, and cloud native development. And also internally, IBM promoted a shift from silos execution to cross-functional collaboration. And it's also guided by frameworks like ADKAR, ADKAR, to manage resistance and support sustainable adoption. So, what worked? Among the successful outcomes, IBM's market repositioning stood out by clearly branding itself as a hybrid cloud and AI-focused company. IBM differentiated itself from pure public cloud providers. So, the Red Hat integration was executed effectively, accelerating the hybrid deployment capabilities. And also, Watson X began to gain traction as a scalable AI platform with applications ranging from customer support automation to risk management. So, what didn't work? What didn't work? Watson Health faced criticism for overpromising its capabilities, ultimately leading IBM to divest parts of the unit. Also, internally, change met resistance, particularly among employees tied to traditional hierarchies and workflows. Moreover, despite the enthusiasm for AI, IBM's early deployments did not consistently generate high returns on investment. Only around 25% of AI pilots met their expected outcomes. And I'll hand over to our next teammates for the next part of this presentation. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Brahman Sufre and here we discuss some recommendations for the IBM, the enhanced internal communications, ensure the alignment across all level. Second, the focus in AI integrity on operation ROI, which prioritize the project with measurable business value, which is the beneficial for the future. Third, the strength of partnership, which provide a support for the business to survive in the market competitions like collaboration with Oracle, AWS, Salesforce, and academic institutions which provide a workforce for IBM. And this last one is investment in the leadership development, equip the middle manager to lead tech-enabled changes because of they know about the changes and familiar with the tech. They provide their knowledge to labor and other workers. So, conclusion, IBM adjusted a major shift from legacy hardware to AI and hybrid solution is a bigger change in the history. Its transformation was guided by the strategic acquisitions, internal cultural redesign, and the investment in emerging technology. While not all the initiatives succeed, IBM is now better positioned to lead in the AI-driven enterprises landscape. The change process provides a model for the large-scale transformation traditions organizations. Thank you. Thank you to listen our project about the IBM now question.